p.m. At 2:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Guy's Mills, or near Meadville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Titusville, Wrightsville, Guy's Mills, Hightown, Blooming Valley, Downdale, and Spartansburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.